Speaker, today at the Human Resources Committee, we heard from witnesses on the Eliminating Entitlements for Prisoners Act. Both Sharon Rosenfeld from Victims of Violence, whose own son was murdered by Clifford Olson, and Kevin Godet from the Canadian Taxpayers Federation urged all parties to pass this bill quickly. Can the Minister please tell this House what she is hearing from Canadians across this country about our Conservative government's plans to take old age security benefits away from the prisoners?
Honourable Minister of Human Resources and Skills Development.
Oh, Mr. Speaker, the response from Canadians in support of our Bill C-31 has been overwhelmingly positive. Canadians agree with our government. They really believe, Mr. Speaker, that it would be grossly unfair for taxpayers to continue to fund pensions for convicted criminals when those criminals are already being provided room, board, housing, shelter by taxpayers. Mr. Speaker, Canadians want this bill passed. I urge the opposition to pass it quickly because it is the right, fair, and reasonable thing to do.